We are going to eat Rainbow Cafe, one of my favorite. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, check this out. June 7, 2024, Niagara Falls, Rainbow Cafe, Canada. Alrighty.
What's on the elephant's leg?
I don't know what's happening. Already, so we are ready to eat.
Finally time to sit down and...
One of my favorite cafe.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Rainforest, actually Rainforest.
Rainforest.
Canada, on Clifton Hill.
Yeah, we've been to one in New Jersey. I think Atlantic City when they had one. I don't know. A lot of places. It's very nice.